How to use Google Chat. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be giving you a speedy guide of under 1 minute of how to master Google Chat. Whether you're catching up with friends or collaborating with colleagues, Google Chat keeps conversations flowing. Now here's how to use it. First of all, head over to the chat.google.com or simply type Google Chat in your Google search bar. Or you can download the Google Chat app for Android or iPhone from their respective app stores. For starting a chat, you can click on the plus icon to enter the name or email address of the person you want to chat with. For existing chat, you can click on a previous conversation from your chat list, like this one right here. Type your message in the chat box at the bottom of the window. Hit enter or click the send button, the paper airplane icon to send it. Click on the smiley face icon to add emojis to your messages, or click the GIF icon to search and insert GIFs. Click the paperclip icon to share files from your device or drive, or click the video camera or phone icon to initiate a video call or a voice call, available for some accounts. You can use hashtag to mention someone in the chat to get their attention, or star important messages for quick access later. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.